Hi guys, Chet here. Today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of Apollo.io and Hunter.io, two very popular platforms designed to help you find prospects, verify emails, and run successful cold outreach campaigns. I'll break down their features, usability, pricing, and which kind of user each one is best suited for. So, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your prospecting strategy better. First, let's take a quick look at both tools. Apollo.io is more of an all-in-one sales engagement platform. It helps you discover contacts, build automated outreach campaigns, and track your pipeline all in one place. It's ideal for sales teams who really want everything all under one roof. Now, Hunter.io, on the other hand, is focused more narrowly. It's a lead generation tool that helps you find and verify professional emails quickly. It's lightweight, fast, and great for people who just want accurate data and a clean email sending workflow. Now let's talk about features. Apollo.io comes loaded with a massive B2B contact database along with built-in tools for email sequencing, task automation, and deal tracking. You can build multi-touch campaigns, personalize messages, and sync all of your activity to CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot. It even includes advanced filters so that you can target prospects based on role, industry, tech stack, and more. Hunter.io, meanwhile, sticks to the basics, and it does that very well. You can search by company domain, use their email finder and verifier, and set up simple outreach campaigns. It's not built for long-term nurturing or pipeline management, but it does an excellent job of helping you find and connect with leads fast. Next up, let's talk about that user experience. Apollo.io's dashboard is powerful, but can feel a bit overwhelming at first. There is a learning curve, especially if you're new to sales engagement platforms, but once you get used to it, everything flows very well. You can manage large campaigns efficiently and monitor results in detail. Hunter.io is much simpler by comparison. The UI is clean, easy to navigate, and really perfect for people who want to get in and out quickly without dealing with too many bells and whistles. Now, when it comes to integrations, Apollo.io supports native connections with top CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive, plus tools like Outreach, Marketo, and Slack. Hunter.io integrates with Zapier, HubSpot, and Google Sheets. So while it's less extensive, it covers the basics well for small teams or solopreneurs. Now let's talk about pricing. Apollo.io has 4 monthly plans. There's the free plan at $0, basic at $59 per user, professional at $99 per user, and organization at $149 per user, but that's with annual billing only. Hunter.io offers 4 plans as well. Free is free. Starter at $34 per month, growth at $104 per month, and scale at $209 per month, all based on yearly pricing. So which one should you go for? If you need a full-blown sales engagement platform that helps you find leads and run multi-step outreach, Apollo.io is the more complete solution. But on the other hand, if you're after a simple, reliable tool to find verified emails, launch smaller campaigns, Hunter.io could be the faster and more budget-friendly option. All right, that's it for this video. Now, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.